How to turn on or turn off show hex data on Metamask. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the show hex data on Metamask or turn it off as you want. Now first thing we do is we go to Metamask app. As you can see, this is my account, my wallet here, and now you need to choose the three lines here in the top corner, and after that you go to settings here. And now go to the third option, which called advanced. Click on it like this, and now you will find show hex data. You can enable it or disable it from here in easy fast way. You can turn it on or turn it off. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.